This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Topoleski. Delightful updated 3-1 on the north end of College Park. Shaker cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances grace the large eat-in kitchen. Dinette or office space with a laundry closet. Large primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms. Pride of ownership shows throughout. Roof has been replaced in 2022 and low slope roof in 2023. The spacious lot provides ample room for outdoor activities, gardening, or potential expansions. This thriving community continues to attract buyers seeking a blend of urban amenities and suburban charm. Come and see it for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Topoleski at 407-588-1800.